Hi guys, Mike here again from MaxGains, giving you a full product review of our specialized women's product, Sutolex. Sutolex is a fantastic all-around performance support supplement designed specifically for the female physique. MaxGains customers love the broad range of vitamins, minerals, and natural botanicals in Sutolex. This formula includes zinc, arginine, tyrosine, epimedium, vitamins B6 and B12, just to name a few. B6 is crucial for amino acid, glucose, and glycogen metabolism, which are all vital to working out. B12 is important for the production of red blood cells and DNA. With 190% of your daily B6 and 900% of your B12, Sutolex is not messing around. A woman-friendly serving of steroidal saponins from Tribulus terrestris helps to support anaerobic performance and drive. Now, biopurine has been added to ensure superior absorption of nutrients. For all the ladies that are looking to take their training to the next level, Sutolex is perfect for you. It's easily one of the most impressive women's workout supplements on the market. There are 60 capsules in each bottle of Sutolex, and that lasts for up to 1 month. It's gluten-free, sugar-free, and free from harmful GMOs. Now, Sutolex is also part of our wider women's stack range, so be sure to check that out as well for more great workout products.